Racing Jesse started. We have Maverick, Break, Wick, Little Star, Tito Aru, Pay Follow, Mace the Ninja, Lucky Joe, Lucky's running by the rail, follow Queen, then comes Sydney Boy, moving up on the answer is Fort Die Glory, next on Lady Sincamas is Scarlet, is Scholar second last, while Red Wine is the early trailer by about 14 lengths. Of the leader, half-mile distance, they traveled bunch of entries, now fiery road for the lead, and on the outside is Mace the Ninja, Faye Paluk, Tito Aru comes next, then followed by Maverick, Polo Queen, Lucky Joe, Lucky comes next, and Diana Wham tearing the home stretch, Faye Paluk, Maverick is on the outside, Mace the Ninja, Tito Aru, Polo Queen, Port Die Glory, Lucky Joe, Lucky, then comes Sydney Boy, and Sincamas is Scarlet as they swing for room. Oh, we have Bay Faluk, Polo Queen moving up in between hostess, down on the inside, Tito Aru, Sincamas is Scarlet, Sydney Boy now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Sydney Boy running by the rail, Sincamas is Scarlet, and finally it's Sincamas is Scarlet, Sydney Boy, Polo Queen.
Okay. Top choice, number 8, Sincamas Scarlet. Prevailed. Muntik makabuluga yung 7, no? So, 8-7 ang ating unofficial order of arrival. Let's watch the replay. Race number 6.
Racing